Apple is hiding something massive from you right now. Imagine a device that is completely finished, packed with an incredibly powerful iPhone 15 Pro chip, and ready to ship to millions of people. It is sitting in a warehouse gathering dust as we speak. You might think the delay is because of supply chain issues or a hardware defect. But the truth is actually hilarious and a little bit embarrassing. Apple is refusing to release their brand new Apple TV 4K because their voice assistant, Siri, is basically failing its final exams. Today, we are exposing the wild truth behind this massive delay. We will reveal the insane specs inside this hidden box, the aggressive new price tag that will destroy Roku, and exactly why Apple Intelligence is holding everything back. For years, the living room has been Apple's forgotten child. The last Apple TV came out way back in 2022. In the tech world, that is ancient history. We all expected a massive refresh by now. All the top international tech sites and trusted leakers agreed. Mark Gurman from Bloomberg explicitly stated that Apple has a new Apple TV 4K ready to go. Sites like Apple Insider and the UK's Pocket-Lint confirmed the hardware has been finished for months. Even trusted sources on X, like Kasatami, posted that the Apple TV 4K has been shifted to late 2026. So if the box is built, why is the release date moving backwards? The answer is the new AI-powered Siri. Apple is building a master version of Siri for iOS 27. They want a voice assistant that actually understands natural human conversations. But according to multiple insider reports, this new Siri is struggling. It is not reliable enough for a public launch yet. Apple simply refuses to release a brand new smart home hub with a confused, outdated voice assistant. They want this new Apple TV to be the absolute center of your smart home. To do that, the hardware inside is getting a ridiculous upgrade. According to Mac Rumors, this tiny box will be powered by the A17 Pro chip. Yes, that is the exact same chip that runs the iPhone 15 Pro. Putting a premium smartphone brain into a TV box is a wild move. Why do you need that much power just to watch Netflix? You do not. But Apple has a secret gaming strategy. Reports from BGR point out that this upgrade brings 8 gigabytes of RAM and hardware ray tracing. This turns the Apple TV into a legitimate casual gaming console. It will run Apple Arcade games flawlessly. But extreme power needs extreme internet speed. That is where the next huge upgrade comes in. Trusted leaker Jeff Pu revealed on X that Apple is putting their custom wireless chip inside this new model. This means the 2026 Apple TV will support ultra-fast Wi-Fi 7. TechSite 9 to 5 Mac highlighted how this will fundamentally change your streaming experience. Wi-Fi 7 uses 3 different frequency bands at the exact same time. It means zero latency, no buffering, and instant 4K streaming even if 10 other people in your house are downloading huge files. Your connection will be unbreakable. You also get perfect Bluetooth and Thread support for instant smart home control. Apple is basically building the ultimate future-proof entertainment box. But the craziest part of this entire story is not the hardware or the software. It is the rumored price tag. Apple products are famous for draining your wallet. But Ming-Chi Kuo, one of the most accurate Apple analysts in the world, dropped a massive bombshell on X. He stated that the next Apple TV is targeting a sweet spot price of just under $100. This is a lethal move by Apple. If they drop the price to $99, it will be a bloodbath for competitors. Budget brands like Roku and Amazon Fire Sticks have always dominated the cheap streaming market. But if you can get an Apple TV with an A17 Pro chip and Wi-Fi 7 for that same cheap price, the choice is obvious. It will force millions of people to abandon their old sticks and join the premium Apple ecosystem. In my honest opinion, this delay is a blessing in disguise. Yes, waiting until September 2026 is frustrating. But launching a premium smart home device with broken AI would be a disaster. Apple knows that a truly smart living room needs a flawless voice assistant. By forcing the hardware to wait for the new iOS 27 series, they are guaranteeing a magical experience on day one. When this box finally drops, it will have console-level power, unbreakable internet, and an AI brain that actually understands you. It will absolutely dominate the market and secure Apple's place in your living room for the next decade. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.